Hello YouTube, welcome back to Web Gear Review. Today I want to do a comparison video between the m1910 meat can and the m1918 meat can. I'll try to keep this quick and fast because I've already got a more in-depth video on the m1910 and a 1918. So check those videos out. If you like this kind of information and videos, hit subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's look at this. The 1910 is thinner, has a flatter lid. The 1918 is thicker and has a more dome-shaped lid. Other than that, these mess kits are virtually the same. Let's pull these lids off real quick. Let's take a look at the frying pan. Okay, the frying pan here, I don't know if you can tell, this is like 1.25 inches deep. This here, they added height to it, so it's 1 5/8 deep. Let's take a look at the handles. The 1910 handle is more flatter. The 1918 is more curved to shape the new domed lid. Here are the two plates. The 1910, see how flat it is? See how domed the 1918 is? See how dished it is? This is about 5/8 inches deep. This is about 1/4 to 3/8 deep. See the dome? Look at the difference in these things. This was produced from 1910 up through 1918, all through World War I. This was designed and made in 1918 and used through World War I into World War II. Put them back together here. Close them up. Once again, 1910 model or type. I always say type is thinner, 1918 is thicker. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review, and share with the collector community. Thanks for watching.